Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, I would love to talk about so important hadith about the upcoming 10 days, the first 10 days of month of Dhul Hajjah, which in Muslim calendar, the month of Hajj. In a hadith related to Ibn Abbas, hadith sahih, he said, there are no days on which righteous deeds are more beloved to Allah than 10 days, which is the 10 days of Dhul Hajjah. And the best thing you can do in these days is fasting. It's really recommended to fast in this night. It says 9 days. It says start from the day one. I think it's gonna be like May 18. And has 9 days. So if you can fast the 9 days, it will be perfect. If you cannot, you at least fast like Monday, Thursday. And do not forget, is the most important day is the day of Arafah. Is the day before Hajj, which is the number 9. Eid, inshallah, gonna be in 10. So 9 is the most important day because the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, if you fast this day, he counting God to forgive us 1 year before and 1 year after this day. So this is really important to fast in this 9 days and do a good deed. Like try to do a good deed, try to recite Quran, try to make zikr, the tasbih, do any good deed, charity, anything you can do, like helping people out, doing something good with your kids, with your family. All this counts, inshallah, in these blessing days. And the scholar said this best 10 days because it's including the day of Arafah, which is the 9th of the month. And they also in the Quran, in Surah Al-Fajr, God say, Wal-Fajr wa-layalin ashr, is mean these days also. And other scholars said it's a layalin means the nights, the 10 nights is mean the 10 nights, the last 10 nights in Ramadan, because it's including the day of Laylatul Qadr, the night of power. So either way, if it is this one or this one, the both are good, because the first one including Yawm Arafah, the day of Arafah, which is the day of Hajj, and the other was including the night of Laylatul Qadr with the night of power. So inshallah, try our best to do good deed in these 10 days. And in the next video, I'm gonna talk about the Qurbani, how you choose the Qurbani, how you slaughter, who has to slaughter the Qurbani, and how we divide it, how to share it, inshallah, next video. Thank you so much, and jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.